Okay, creating a mirrored image. With Photoshop Elements open, do a File, New, and Untitled is okay. It just sets it up with a transparent background. Then we do File, Open, and pick up the image in question. Alright, next thing we need to do is increase the canvas size. So Image, Resize, Canvas Size. Anchor it at the top, and then change the height. If we're going to do a vertical reflection, say 9. That'll give us enough room. Alright. Then what we want to do is duplicate this layer. Doesn't matter what we call it. And then we want to put that down underneath at the bottom. Now with that layer selected, do a Control T for transform. Grab the top handle of the image and slide it down to create the reflection. Use the down arrow key to make a little bit of space in between the two images, and then commit that change with the check mark. Then we can apply the gradient. Make sure that the gradient selected is this one, foreground to transparent. Hold down the Shift key and drag the left mouse button up and let it go to create the desired effect. The other thing that we want to do here is change the opacity to say 80%. Alright, and we will blur to that Gaussian blur of 2 pixels. See what nice blur that makes there. Say OK. And then what we want to do is take layer 0 and merge it down with layer 1. So layer, merge down, and that makes a single image out of it. And we can click on Image, Transform, Perspective. Change the perspective a little bit. Drag it down to give it that slanted kind of look. Then we will keep that change. Then let's do the lasso. Go to the top left corner of the image and come down and take this reflection down to about here. We say Image, Crop, and it makes it a smaller size, more manageable. File, save for the web, and the JPG or JPEG turns out to be the best in terms of space, so we'll say OK as a JPEG, and I will replace, well, let's just call it test image 3 and save it. And then if we want to see what that looks like, front page file, get test image 3, and here's what it looks like. A nice reflection type image.